Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Cancer. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationship, your business, your business related matters, your business partnership, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from 7th house. And right now your 7th house lord is moving in your 6th house. 6th house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fight, your hidden enemies. If any person in your life is against you is seen from 6th house. Your case, your loans, your debt is seen from 6th house. Your daily routine is also seen from 6th house in the context of your work. 6th house deal with your court case, your litigation, your argument, your fight, your daily basis disease, your disease pattern, your loans, your debt. So right now your 7th house lord is moving in your 6th house, so we can expect you may have some disturbance in your marriage relationship or your business partnership in the month of August, or especially in journal, because lord of marriage is moving in the house of conflict, and sun will stay in your 6th house till 17th of August. After 17th of August, sun will move to your 7th house. So till 17th of August, you need to be very careful regarding your arguments, fights, and your marriage relationship. So till 17th of August, you need to be very careful regarding your marriage relationship or your business partnership, and you need to be control your arguments and fights in the month of August. And also sun expecting from 6th house to your 12th house, and 12th house deal with your hospitalization. And if you are dealing with some disease pattern, or if you are older in age, then you need to be take care of your health as well in the month of August, especially before 17th of August. After 17th of August, when sun will move to your 7th house in its own sign, then we can expect you may have some relief related to your relationship, your marriage, your business partnership, because then 7th house lord will be in your 7th house. And right now there are many planets moving in your 7th house, so we can expect you may have good result and some relief related to your argument, fight, and disturbance in your marriage after 17th of August. So we can expect these results from sun in the month of August. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 8th house and your 5th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your something also very important to mention here is that whenever sun is moving in your 6th house, it gives you strength to withstand the fights and court cases and litigation and hidden enemies in your life. So we can also expect before 17th of August, you may have some energy, you will feel some energy, and you will feel energetic to withstand the problems in your life, because whenever previously sun in 6th house give you strength. So we can expect these results from sun in the month of August for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 8th house and your 5th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 7th house in the house of Leo. 5th house deal with your children's, your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how intelligent you are is seen from 5th house, how fast you can grasp things is seen from 5th house, how fast you can learn things is seen from 5th house. Your fiance, your girlfriend, your boyfriend is also seen from 5th house. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life. Transformation means major transformation in life, your sudden positive event, sudden negative event is also seen from 8th house. Your research activity, your secret activity, your secret relationships, your sexual activity is also seen from 8th house. So right now your 8th house lord and 5th house lord is moving in your 7th house, house of relationships, house of partnership, house of business, house of contract, house of legal binding. So we can expect if you are not married right now and if you are in love relationship, so we can expect you will have good result in the month of August, especially after 24th of August, when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion, because whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double, and Mercury will about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 7th house on 24th August 2023. So we can expect if you are not married right now, you have any love relationship, or you have fiance, girlfriend, boyfriend, or you are in education life, we can expect good result regarding these matters. Also, Mercury expecting from your 7th house to your ascendant, and your ascendant lord is also present in your ascendant, so we can expect you may have some gain, you may have some fame, related to your studies, and related to your love relationship. You may engage to get engagement in the month of August, and maybe you will get a new love partner in the month of August if you are looking for it. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of August. Also, Mercury controls your 8th house, and 8th house will be problems. If you are married right now, or if you are have a business right now, or you have a business person, or you have a business partnership and any agreement, so we can expect you need to be careful regarding these matter after 24th of August, because when Mercury will turn into retrograde, its effect will be double. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of August for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Leo. Right now, Venus is moving in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023, as we discussed previously in last month prediction video. Fourth house deal with your mother, your relationship with your mother, your comforts in life, your feelings, your emotions, your home related matter, your properties, your vehicles, how much comfort you have in life, how much peace do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. Your ninth house deal with your luck, your father, your teachings of your father, your teachers, your mentor, your higher studies, your religious matter, your long distance travel related matter, your pilgrimage, your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. So right now your ninth house lord and fourth house lord is moving in seventh house in the house of relationship. So as we discussed previously in some section, after 17th of August, we can expect you may have some gain related to money, or you may have some good result regarding your travel related matter, because seventh house is also connected to travel, because seventh house is away from your ascendant. Mean seventh house is just opposite to your ascendant. We can also expect if you are trying to travel somewhere, or if you want to trip somewhere in the month of August, we can expect positive result for you people, because ninth house control your travel related matter, and Ketu is also moving in your ninth house, and Ketu and as we discussed previously, Ketu represent detachment. So we can expect if you are trying to go on a trip or pilgrimage in the month of August, you will be able to get a chance to go on a trip in the month of August. Also, Venus control your fourth house related matter. You may have some gain related to money. You may have some gain related to property if you're dealing with such thing in your life right now. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of August for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now Moon is moving in your second house in the sign of Pisces. Second house deal with your speech, your family lineage, your family history, your family wealth, your saving, your food intake habits, your mouth region is also seen from second. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulty in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with these houses. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet in transit during any from any house during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulty in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mars controls your third house and your 10th house, and right now Mars is also moving in your 7th house in the sign of Leo. Mars will stay in your 7th house till 19th of August. After that, Mars will move to your 8th house in the sign of Virgo. Rahu, third house deal with your communication, your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friends, your communication ability, how much effort you can put in any work is seen from third house. But basically, your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. Your 10th house deal with your work, your colleague house deal with your work environment, your work colleague, how much authority you will have in your work is seen from 10th house. Your superiors is seen from 10th house, your authority is seen from 10th house, your fame is also seen from 10th house. So we can expect in the month of now your second house lord and your 10th house lord is also moving in 7th house, in the house of relationship. So we can expect if you're unmarried right now, you will have good proposal in the month of August, especially before 19th of August, because Mars control your third house and right now moving in your 7th house. So we can also expect you will arrange some get together and you will arrange some errand and you will arrange some meeting with your colleagues, with your childhood friends or your neighbors or your cousins. Mars also control your 10th house. 10th house is with your work related matter, and right now Mars is moving in your 7th house. If we count from 10th house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7th house is 10 places away from itself. So your 10th house lord will act as a 10th house in house lord, because 10th house lord is moving is 10 places away from itself. So we can expect you may have some gain, you may have some promotion, you may have some good result regarding your work related matter in the month of August, especially before 19th of August. We can also expect if you are public figure or your work is related to politics or government, so we can expect you will have some fame in the month of August, especially before 19th of August as well. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of August for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun moved from your 6th house to your 7th house on 17th August in the sign of Leo. Second important astrological event is that Mars will move from your 7th house to your 8th house on 19th August in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 7th house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for whole year, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Aquarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.